Now come to the next part. As my practice sessions with him proceeded further, I became familiar with other novel aspects of the art. Means there are several other aspects of the art. How to make your facial expression, how to keep your gestures. So all these are the novel aspects of the art. For instance, among the 10 major forms of dances in India, Kathak is primarily used to tell a story. कथक किस लिए होती है? फॉर टेलिंग अ स्टोरी. डांस में मीन्स विदाउट सेइंग एनीथिंग, जस्ट थ्रू द डांस एंड म्यूजिक दे टेल यू द होल स्टोरी. पूरी स्टोरी बिना किसी डायलॉग के, बिना किसी बातचीत किए, सिर्फ डांस और म्यूजिक से ही पूरी स्टोरी बताई जाती है. इनफैक्ट I learned a few acts myself depicting Lord Krishna and his famous dance with his female friends. तो हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? रासलीला की बात कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? रासलीला, where Lord Krishna is dancing with his female friends in Mathura, in Vrindavan, and depicting Lord Ram return to Ayodhya. Yes, और कैसे? जब Lord Rama वापस आए. So in this way there are very different, you can say there are very different forms of dances in this way also. When he came to India, what is the environment in Ayodhya at that time, all these things. I also learned that in order to master the art, the foot movement had to be flawless. Flawless means no mistakes will be there in the foot movement. If you want to master the art, so you can't make any mistake in your foot movement. I became more comfortable with dancing with the small bells called ghungroos tied around my ankles. So all these classical dances, while doing any classical dance, in most of, so they have to wear ghungroo, from which you can see that a sweet voice is coming. I was now ready to perform before a large audience and was very excited to show off my newly acquired skill. So all these skills are new to her. वो सीखने आई थी गुरु से, अब उन्होंने ये गुरु से डांस अच्छे से डांस सीखा. And now the big day has come and she has to perform in front of the audience. My 30-day trip to India come to an end with my dance performance at the India Habitat Center. So what is the duration of the trip? कितने दिन के लिए वो आई थी इंडिया? 30 days के लिए. And now that trip is going to end with the last performance in India Habitat Center. I, along with Mr. Ramchand's dance group, performed a 60-minute Kathak recital before a large Indian audience which had travelled from all over the country. और वहाँ पे क्या था? From all over the country, the people had came there. So now with Mr. Ramchand dance group, they had performed 60-minute Kathak recital. 60 minutes for 1 hour they had performed. I was touched by the overwhelming response of the audience that applauded us with an open heart. So what is it? And overwhelming means it is too natural. Okay, it is too natural, and as well as very powerful, very great, very strong response of the audience that applauded. Applauded means clapping, happily, cheerfully clapping. They are cheering thus with an open heart. I was touched by the warmth shown towards me and the love for the art among Indians. So that foreigner, she was touched by the warmth, that how the people, they are respecting, how the people are loving this art. Indian people are loving this art. I cannot wait to return to India for another show next year in Chennai. So at the last, she is saying that she was very happy, she was very glad, and she now wanted to return as soon as possible to another show next year in Chennai. She is having a next tour or a next dance performance in next year in Chennai, and she was very looking forward to it. So with this is our chapter number 2. Just read it very carefully and try to write down all these, and try to first underline these difficult words in your book, and some meanings I have already written, so try to write that meanings with the help of pencil in your book. Till then, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning, keep growing.